That's close enough. The screw is a little bit crooked. It's got a little bend in it, which makes the head wobble around as I try to put it in. Which means I can't go very fast, but that's okay. I just mainly want to get it in there. Wow. Wow. Now I can shape the outside. Holding on to this thing is a pain. I've done the sides up close to the top. I've worked my way around. Now I'm going to do the bottom. I've got it symmetrical. This part of it was sticking out quite a bit on this side, but I've got it pretty symmetrical. And you can see these little bandsaw marks and file marks and stuff. I've left this till the very last, as long as this is on. Now when I take this off, I can go ahead and finish down to where the metal touches the wood. But right now I'm going to do this bottom. That piece of tape is a little bit of prevention insurance, because I'm going to sand up here next to it. I'm not living as close to the edge as you think I am. There's almost a 3/32 from this level down to that level. So I'm not being near as risky as it might seem on this video. I'm not going to live on that edge. A friend of mine says, if you're not living on the edge, you're taking up too much room. When I sand it all over. In other words, from here to here, I'm sanding. Same pressure. I'm not trying to focus on getting one little spot out. I do focus on when that spot comes out, but I sand all over in the meantime. Otherwise, you end up sanding a hole or a dip. The spot I'm looking at and focusing on is those bandsaw marks right there. And they're getting smaller and smaller, and I'm fine with that. But I'm sanding all of the stock, not just focusing on right there, because then you get a dip. There is a technique to sanding. Sanding would seem to some people as torture. I know when my kids worked for me in my shop, when they were 11, 12, 13, 14 years old, I would pay them to come and work with me. And they just thought sanding was of the devil. They thought it was punishment, torture. Me, I'm kind of fond of it because of what it produces.